Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I'm your dietitian. Today I've come up with to discuss about a very interesting topic that's on the importance of healthy lunch box. So why am I discussing about it now? Because the schools are starting and it's time for mummies to get at themselves to plan and to prepare healthy lunch boxes, isn't it? So why late? Let's get into know more about it. Life is very hectic and planning and packing the healthy lunch boxes is a major challenge. But if the child is a fussy eater, it is a double challenge for mommies because they have to always come up with something new and interesting, ideas for their lunch boxes. The importance of healthy lunch boxes is immeasurable because it contributes about 3/4 of the child's daily diet. The major portion of the nutrients comes up from lunches, and also it helps them to keep or stay active throughout the day. So it's really very much important to plan a healthy lunch box for the kids so that they stay active throughout the day and their growth also happens in a right way. So here I've come to give you some tips. Note those tips. Make sure you follow those tips before you pack healthy lunch boxes for your kids. So here we go.
Pack a balanced lunch box. Get creative with adding vegetables into family meals. Encourage your kids to try new tastes and flavors. Cook with your kids and buy less packaged foods. Keep unhealthy snacks away. Be a role model. Talk to your kids on importance of healthy food.
So guys, I hope you've understood all the tips which I have given you. Just keep in your mind before planning healthy lunches for your kids. The earlier the child develops the habit of eating healthy, it actually gets carried to his rest of his life, even to his adulthood and till his elderlyhood too. So keep these things in mind and plan it. For the diet consultation for kids, as well as for some healthy recipes for lunch boxes, you can surely contact me at Apurva's Diet Studio. The number is given below in the description. And if you have liked this video, do not forget to hit a like button. Share it with your other friends who are mummies who are also worried about it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Apurva Dietitian. If you're new to it, keep watching. Stay healthy, stay fit. I'll come up with another interesting video. Till then, bye-bye.